If I could give an award to a smartphone this year, it has to be the HONOR X9b. The upgrades it has from the previous generation is overwhelmingly crazy. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here, and this is the HONOR X9b. Now the X9 series from HONOR has always been known for its toughness, but this year HONOR has made it Superman level. But of course before that, let's check out the design. It comes in three colors: sunrise orange, titanium silver and midnight black. It's got a leather finishing which gives the phone a premium feeling, and most importantly, no fingerprints. The camera design on the back actually reminds me of the Huawei Mate 50, but it's fine here I guess. The screen is 6.78 OLED with 120Hz refresh rate. Even at this point, this mid-range phone already feels very premium, right? Now let's quickly see how tough the HONOR X9b is. Wow, it's as strong as brick and the screen looks perfectly fine. You know what? I'm gonna drop it again. Okay, so the HONOR X9b boasts 360-degree toughness. That means front, back, top and bottom, doesn't matter which angle. It is tough to the max. The screen is now 3 times tougher than before, and the phone also got the world's first 5-star overall drop test resistance certification from Switzerland SGS. So why is it so tough? According to HONOR, they have included this ultra bounce anti-drop technology and cushioning materials all around to ensure that you don't have to use the casing at all for protection. You know what? Drop it again. They are so confident that they are giving users 365 days front and back crack replacement. How's that for assurance? Just being tough is useless if the camera sucks, right? The HONOR X9b has a 108 megapixel camera, 5 megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 2 megapixel macro lens. They also brought over the flagship feature from the Magic 5 series called millisecond capture and motion sensing capture to help us capture fast action shots like sports. Okay, come, let's check out some photos. Performance-wise, I was shocked and surprised to see something new. The phone uses the Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chip, which is a 4nm chipset and is probably the first to appear in Malaysian market. And it's worth mentioning that 4nm chips are generally better than 6nm chips in terms of performance and power efficiency. For a mid-range phone, we usually don't expect much from the charging and battery department. But HONOR is quite generous by putting in a gigantic 5800 mAh battery which can last up to 3 days with a single charge. 3 days? What? There's also a 35-watt supercharge if you need to charge the battery, which I think is less frequent with this big battery. No need. The HONOR X9b is really full of surprises. This mid-range phone has a 20GB RAM and also 256GB internal storage. Hey, hello, where got mid-range phones so good one? Anyway, the phone has recently launched and the price is 1499. What? 1499 only? So I would say it's a good buy in terms of performance, value and toughness. So the pre-order of HONOR X9b has already started, so if you want, just go and get yours now. For more information, click on the link below this video, and if you love videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click on the subscribe button below this video, click on the bell for notifications, share this video with your friends and follow me on all social platforms. My name is Smashpop and I'll see you in the next one. Yo, wait, hold on. Yo.